Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject, and today I want to show you some of products. This is our injector repair kit, can be fitted with this unit pump. Yes, okay, let's check the details first. Look at here, the first labels, the first line is adaptive model number. The adaptive model number is the 6102003-008. And the second line is the product name, injector repair kit. Yes, and as you can see, this kind of packages, the labels, yes. If any customers, if you want to, if you had the demand like you wanted to design your own label, the packaging bag, and also if you want to design your logo, the label, yes, we Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of demands. Yes, just contact us, we can help you to design it. Okay, yeah, so it's time to open it to see the inside and got our unit pump to see more details. I will open it. Let's see the inside part of this one. In this part, you can see we have the 4 screw. Yes, 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put it here. Also, we have 2 sealing rings. One mini one. The 2 big one also had the transparent cap. Okay, first you can see here we have from this part it has a green one and the black one, right? These two can be fitted with these 2 positions, and our sealing rings can be better connected with this different part and connect very tightly. And you can see here, avoid the air, avoid the liquid, so it's very convenient and really have the good qualities. For the small one, some of the sealing rings used in the outside part, some of the sealing rings used in the inside part. Also, we have this kind of transparent cap. It's a whole side. When we exchange the fuel injector, you can use it. And also in this part, it has a 4 screw. Yes, the 4 screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then when we exchange the product, we can use this kind of accessories. Yes, this is the whole site in the repair kit. Any information, if you want to know, you can contact us. Actually, we have many models of our product. If any models, if you are not familiar with, you can send us the model numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Actually, maybe some customers curiosity about our warranty, right? About our product warranties, we have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us, and then we can return it to exchange the product for you. Yes, that's a really good service, right? Okay, that's all about our product details. Actually, I will have the different videos and the live show in the Facebook and the YouTube account every week. If you like my videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us at the YouTube and Facebook account. Okay, so much for today's product introductions. And except that, we also supply you the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, any items if you are interested, welcome you to contact us. Yes, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Thank you for watching so much for today's product introductions. See you next time. Bye-bye.